Hi everyone. Well, I guess we can call this the Groundhog Day storm of 2012 here in Loveland, and take you on a little tour. Yeah, got a little bit of use out of that this morning. Yeah, it's been interesting. Still snowing a little bit. I finally got my trails cut. I'll take a look at this roof line. Yeah, there's quite a bit of overhang there. Okay, well, just take a quick trip around RV Lane here. Saw a poor little bunny rabbit trying to get through the snow and find out where his home went to. There's his tracks right there, and he finally disappeared under the fence. And my recycle bins, my trailer's under there somewhere. And we'll just come around here again. Hopefully this is all we're gonna get. Alright, see you later.